Welcome to the EZU course about the carrier login button. In this course, you will learn how to install the EZLogin plugin and how to utilize the carrier login button in EZLynx. So, let's get started. We'll begin by discussing how to install the EZLogin plugin, which is necessary in order for the carrier login button to work. Essentially, the EZLogin plugin allows you to automatically log into a carrier's website with the click of a button. This feature can be used to view quotes, policies, claims, and billing information. The EZLogin plugin is currently supported for Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsers. Since Chrome is the recommended browser for EZLynx, we'll use it for our installation example in this video. However, not all carriers support this feature, so the carrier login button may not be available in certain situations. To install the EZLogin plugin, open Google Chrome and log into EZLynx as you normally would. On the home page, you'll see a box that reads EZLynx Carrier Integration. If the plugin is not yet installed, you'll see highlighted text that says Add Extension at the bottom of the box. Go ahead and click on Add Extension. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store page and the EZLynx Carrier Integration extension. To begin installation, click on the Add to Chrome button. When the pop-up appears asking if you want to add it, click on the Add Extension button. If the installation was successful, you'll see that the Add to Chrome button now says Remove from Chrome. Additionally, a Chrome pop-up may appear asking if you'd like to turn on sync to get your extensions on all of your computers. If you or your agency uses more than one computer for EZLynx, it may be a good idea to turn on the Chrome Sync feature. Otherwise, you can simply click the X button in the top right corner of the pop-up to dismiss it. Now that installation is complete, navigate back to the homepage of your EZLynx account. To double-check that the EZLogin plugin installed correctly, look at the EZLynx Carrier Integration box. The text inside the box should now say Extension Installed. If yours does not say this, try logging out of EZLynx and logging back in. If it still says Add Extension, you can review this video or the EZLogin article to try again. Should any installation issues persist, please feel free to contact support@ezlynx.com for assistance. If you have not yet set up your carrier logins in EZLynx, you'll land on the login page for the carrier. To facilitate this process, where applicable, you can set up your carrier login credentials in EZLynx to automatically sign you into the carrier site when clicking Go to Carrier. When clicking the Go to Carrier button, some carriers may bring you to the carrier login page, while others may sign you in automatically and bring you directly to the quote in question. To learn more about how to set up your carrier logins, watch the video titled Carrier Logins, Carrier Defaults, and Quote Templates. Next, let's discuss how you can utilize the carrier login button in the rating engine. Navigate to a customer's account with at least one system-generated quote in it. By system-generated quote, I mean that you submitted an application through the EZLynx rating engine and received a quote. Once inside the customer's account, click on the Quotes tab at the top. To open the quote for viewing, click the kebab icon to the right of the quote, then select View Details. This will redirect you to the quote results page within the rating engine. In this example, I'll use the first quote obtained. Here, you'll notice two buttons, one of which says, Go to Carrier. This is the carrier login button for the rating engine side of EZLynx. Since the carrier is compatible with the EZLogin plugin we just installed, we're able to click on the Go to Carrier button. As mentioned, you'll either land on the quote or the carrier's login page. Once logged in, you can work with the carrier to finalize a premium and begin the binding process. Now that we know how the carrier login button works on the rating engine side of EZLynx, let's discuss how to use it on the management system side. Navigate to a customer's account with at least one active policy. From here, you can access the policy from the Overview or Policies tab at the top. It doesn't matter which tab you select, as the workflow is the same. If you use the Overview tab, make sure the Policies subtab is selected, not Applications. In this example, I have an active personal package policy. On the right-hand side of the policy card, you'll notice different icons and buttons. The icon that looks like a building is the carrier login button for the management side of EZLynx. Clicking on this will reveal three different options, if applicable. The first is Go to Policy, the second is Go to Claim, and the third is Go to Billing. As you would expect, The Go to Policy option will open a new window on the carrier's site and land you on the policy you wish to view. The Go to Claim option will do the same thing, but with a claim if there is one. And, lastly, Go to Billing will open a new window on the carrier's site with billing information. Please keep in mind that every carrier's website will vary and may not look the same in each of these areas. That's all for this EZU course about the carrier login button. You should now have the knowledge to install the EZLogin plugin and utilize the carrier login button in EZLynx. Thanks for watching.